What the f? Check engine popped up, bro. Let me check this out.
Jesus Christ.
Hour away. Oh shit, it's like hesitating again.
Everything is breaking on me, bro.
It doesn't stop here. I try to zip tie this.
One person says, which way does it curve? Hey, yo, what's going on? We are with my boy Gavin, because we are making a trip. We're already getting gas for the Civic, of course, and we are taking his RSX today. Where are we going?
Oklahoma.
We going out in Yeet Yeet Land. Hopefully, this is a good turnout. I never seen this meet. I think it's a local.
Engine popped up, bro. Let me check this out.
Jesus Christ, there's always something wrong with this car, god damn it. Oh,
Let me see.
Did the engine light come on?
Yeah, engine light came on and it went in limp mode, and then I couldn't go past like 3K. Looks like it went away, so I guess let me close it.
I don't know what's with my luck with this car, but something always to the side to brake.
I mean, the car seems to drive fine for the most part, but it still has a check engine and it's still limp mode. Say we're like an hour away. Oh shit, it's like hesitating again. But we're like an hour away from the meet, so I guess we'll find out, see if I can make it or not.
I always get the bad luck. There's always something. There's either leaking or braking or whatever it is. After you, my boy.
There's that one, and there's some on the other side.
You will not believe how much this costs. They charged me $10. They charged me $10 for this little tiny bottle.
Alright, we're gonna set this up.
Everything is breaking, bro. The tripod broke too.
Oh man.
Come on, man. Bruh, I kid you not. Look at this. Oh my god, bruh.
What the fuck?
No f***ing way. I think it broke on me, bruh.
No way.
Bro, what the Everything is breaking on me, bruh.
Is it being stuck?
Is it? Oh, let me try now. Oh, okay. Bruh, I'm just having a bad day, okay, with this car.
It doesn't stop here. I try to zip tie this and seems like it doesn't want to stay.
Let me see if I can fix this. Cross my fingers that this will make it another hour, because we're literally one more hour away from the meet. Off we go! What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I think they're wanting to park at a certain location, but I think I'm just gonna park wherever. It's a dog over there.
That's what you're interested about?
Yeah. We just came for the dog. I know he's in the car. He's like, damn, my shit so hard. People are looking at me. You like the blue?
I fucks with it.
Yo, that's hard. Matt TE's Mugen kid. Does he have the Mugen wing? No, I think it's just the front and then the sides. Yeah. Oh, it has the rear too.
So vlog, it was nice meeting you,
wait,
you know.
Where are we at today?
We at the Honda meet in Oahu.
We outside, you know what I'm saying? checker floor mats. Willwood brakes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they are Evans. So we're currently at a gas station. Yeah, the meat was pretty good. It wasn't as big as I thought, but it's definitely better than nothing, especially from a guy, because y'all guys know I'm from Arkansas, so there's ain't jack where we're from, but it was pretty good meat. Love to see the Hondas. Most of them were actually case swapped compared to me. I think I'm pretty sure I was one of the few people that had a D series. That I still have a check engine, and I think it's due to a misfire. I don't know if the injectors are clogged, or I'm not really sure what it is, but it's definitely misfiring for sure. The check engine is more prominent now, and it's basically in limp mode, so I can't really drive it quick enough. So definitely gonna have to fix that as soon as we get back, but hopefully I can make it back just in limp mode by itself. So now we're about to go eat. I'm hungry, and then we're gonna do 2 hours back. You know what I'm saying? Bro already ate his food, bro.
Yeah, chill.
Got the food in, ready to munch. Guys, so we are probably an hour away from home. We are at the gas station just to see and check one more time with the Civic. It's constantly misfiring, so I think it's a bad injector or it's bad gas. But we are about an hour away out, almost there. I honestly will probably just limp all the way there, all the way back home. But shout out to everyone that pulled up and said what's up and hi. I want to go over a couple questions that y'all guys had. If you guys haven't already, follow me on Instagram. I literally asked right here a Q&A. Where's your Mark V Supra? But I love your Civic. Sold. And yeah, that's the quickest answer. John Doe says, men, yes or no? Literally, gay. Are you gay? Again? Yeah, gay for you. There you go. Do you like Randy? If not, why? So if you guys don't know, Randy is actually an owner of Eliminate. He does vlogs, he does car videos, pranks, all that stuff. Actually, me and him follow each other, believe it or not. We don't know each other personally. I would love to collab with Randy. I think he's a chill dude and he's Vietnamese like me. I think that would be dope. I'm low-key nervous because I feel like he's just more higher status than me. I do eventually want to reach out to him, but I feel like he's just a busy man. This is his account. We look over here, following. Look at that. I am right there. Are you turboing your Civic, your D series? They also said, are you swapping it too? If I could get a good deal on a K series for a modern trans, then I'm all for a K20. It is kind of expensive to do a swap like that, so I definitely want the funds for that. 210 Rice says, no man. If you could have any car you want, what would it be? GT3. I think those are sick. Anthony says, where do you get your Honda badge? I'm not sponsored by them or anyways, but they're pretty cheap to get anyways, but it's by Rival Machine. Andrew says, why not an EG hatch? Main reason why is because I love EG hatches. I love all types of Hondas, but I think when it comes down to the most, I think EKs just look 10 times better. What Pacific mods do you recommend? No man, the Dope Gang. Shout out to the Dope Gang, man. We recommend honestly just maintaining the car first. A lot of people ask me this. I Love Cars says, how much was your Civic? Civic was about 3 grand when I bought it. 4L Sleeper says, how many cars do you have? I actually only have one. So as you guys seen, I used to have a 9th gen, 10th gen Supra, and now I have the EK hatch. All of them have been sold, and I no longer own them other than the hatch itself. I only go one car at a time because that is what I can afford, and that's just being real. That's what I can afford, is only one car at a time. Jay says, nói đến Việt đi. If you guys don't know, I'm actually Vietnamese. A lot of people say like a lot of stuff in Vietnamese, and I don't understand because I don't know how to read Vietnamese. But I do know how to speak a little bit of it. I mainly understand it because I kind of grew up in a household where I had to understand it. I'm gonna wrap this up a little bit quicker. My camera's about to die. Beta says, where do you live? A lot of people ask me, where do I live? I live in Arkansas. One person says, how long is it? Longer than your dad's, that's for sure. One person says, which way does it curve? Hey, yo, what kind of questions are you asking on here, bruh? Are you gay or are you gay? Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. What are these questions, bruh? Have you crashed your car already? No, fortunately not. Knock on myself. Oh, here's a question: Bumba Hui or Pho? Bumba Hui for sure. I think I've always been grown up with that. Pho is awesome, but I think Bumba Hui hits the spot for sure. AJ says Mopar or Ford. I would say Ford. GTR R35 or FC RX-7 FC. I would say R35. Don't want to run into all those rotary problems. This is probably like the 5th time someone asked, are you gay? No, man. Yeah, Lee. Do I look gay, guys? Do I look gay? I mean, I do have a little part out, you know. And Garcia says, can I have your number? Yeah, sure, you can have my number. You know, I'll hit you a slide, you know what I'm saying? I'll send a number on the way, you know what I'm saying? Sean says, what do I do for a living? I currently do basically full-time on content creation. Not Nikhil is asking, how much power do I make on the Civic? I make probably about 100 horsepower. 4L says, what do you do besides doing content? Link down below for Twitch. I stream Valorant. Hey, do you have any car you regret selling? Honestly, I think the car that I regret selling the most, Tension SI. So when I had my Tension SI, I literally did everything to that thing, full bolt-ons. The only thing I regret doing is not getting a tune for it, because I'm pretty sure I can make as much as, you know, a Type R, because I had also E85. Here is another VIT question. If anyone knows this, let me know. Don't know what it means, but yeah. Bone says, if you were to sell your hatch, how much would you even sell it if the price was right? If I do ever sell it, I would ask for a good amount of money. And when I mean a good amount of money, I'm talking about the 5 figures, like 20, 25,000. By the time I'm done with it and everything, like let's say if I do the whole 9 yards, K-swap it, turbo, redo the interior, buy new seats, make the engine bay all nice, everything like clean as fuck, then yeah, I would probably charge 25 to 20,000 for it. Thank you guys for the support. Make sure to follow all the socials down below. But other than that, that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time in the next one.